Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you could see, I bought some new fragrances, which I definitely want to review today. And I ordered some other fragrances, which will be part of another video in the future. But I'd say we're gonna start by unboxing the fragrances and yeah. So I bought these two fragrances, parfumsdemarly Sedley and Xerjoff Uden Overdose. Okay, so we'll start by unpacking Xerjoff Uden Overdose, and therefore we're gonna open this right here. We have to flip it again, let it slide out. Look how beautiful these boxes are. And now look at this masterpiece here. This fragrance is part of the Starlight collection. So that means that it has here a small bag. Okay, so here we have a little meteor part. This one is very interesting. And here you can see where it's from, when it was found, the coordinates, shooting stars, not starlight. So here you can see the number of the fragrance and the batch. And now we're gonna open up these papers on the sides. And here we have Xerjoff Uden Overdose. It's always very hard to open these Xerjoff caps, but this is like high quality shit. So you can also grab them by the cap because they won't open. Yeah, and our second fragrance is parfumsdemarly Sedley, and yeah, you can see the description. So we're gonna open it on the top. Here we have like a little brochure. We always have this logo that is printed in. And now here we can see the cap. Flip that. And here we have the bottle. So now that we've opened the bottles, we're gonna do some tests and look at the details. For example, how do the Atomizer spray. So for that, we have our tester strips. I think we're gonna start with parfumsdemarly Sedley. So, okay. So, you see how the Atomizer sprays. I had to take a quick break here because I needed a light. And now we're gonna see how the Xerjoff Uden Overdose Atomizer sprays. So for that we are gonna take our... Yeah, and that's... Everything here will smell like a combination of these two fragrances. As you can see, it scatters very fine. And this smell, we're gonna look at the notes in a few seconds. So the opening, you can smell like something like citruses and kind of some florals. Actually a very good fragrance. And the parfumsdemarly fragrance is sweeter, more mass appealing, not very unique, but not bad. It's actually crazy good. Strong citruses. This is more like a summer fragrance, and for that reason you always know that there are a lot of citruses in the opening. Okay, so we're gonna leave that and look at this in a few minutes. So here you can see again the two bottles. This one is a 125 ml size bottle, I think, and this one is a 50 ml size bottle. You'll probably wonder how much these two fragrances cost. This one was like 196 euros, and for this one, 50 ml only, I think 200 or also 190. So I waited some minutes and now the fragrances dried down, as you can see. I mean, you see here that was the parfumsdemarly one, and here we can see the small little sprays in the middle. This one was the Xerjoff one with the perfect atomizer. So what do they smell like now? So I think this one is an actual masterpiece, in my opinion. Here you have like, I will show you just the notes right here. And it includes lemon and mint, as well as bergamot, grapefruit and orange. And the middle notes are lavender, rosemary, geranium and olibanum. Oh, this one. And the base notes are ambroxan, sandalwood, cashmere, vetiver, cedar and patchouli. This one is such a unique, luxurious mint and citrus fragrance that will definitely refresh you in the summer. It has a very strong citrus note in the opening, which is obvious because you can smell the top notes. These are the first notes you smell when you spray and apply a fragrance on your skin. If you compare these citrus notes with some designer citrus notes, you really smell the difference because this one is luxurious citrus note. The Xerjoff Uden Overdose here is just, I think, more advanced and more niche. It's smooth, but I think this one is not very long lasting on my skin. I heard that on some people's skin it lasts up to 10 hours, which was crazy because on my skin it lasts up to 3 hours. It has not this mass appealing scent that most of the designer fragrances have, but this one also has a very unique citrus note, which must be the lemon and the bergamot in the top notes, the tobacco blossom and ginger middle note. You can really smell the ginger, and just an easy base of musk and amber. I think the normal Uden and the Uden Overdose are perfect for school, work, because they are not triggering too many people. But if you compare this one to the original Uden, the Uden lasts longer, and the Uden Overdose doesn't really live up to the Overdose name here. You can see, because Overdose must be stronger, but it really isn't. If I would have to rate these two fragrances into a category, it would be the summer, everyday versatile fragrance category. I would say that this one is perfect for fall, spring, and it's kind of warm for summer. And this one is spring and summer only, because this one is really refreshing with the mint and the lemon. So I would give this one a 8 or 9 out of 10, and this one a 7. But every taste is different, so make your own experiences, and yeah. Now, if you want to see me reviewing more fragrances in the future, leave a like on the video or let me know it in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. It would really help me. And yeah, see you in the next one.